Hey y'all, today we're going to make a pumpkin honey bun cake. This recipe is so simple. You just throw everything together and bake it, and then everyone thinks you've been slaving in the kitchen for hours. And they won't know any different unless you tell them. So let's get started. I've got one box of yellow cake mix. This can be any brand. My box is 15.25 ounces. 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you're not familiar with pumpkin pie spice, all it is a combination of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. You could just use straight cinnamon if you wanted. 1/2 cup oil. This is canola, but you can use vegetable. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 3/4 cup of pumpkin. This is pure pumpkin, not the pie mix. 4 large eggs. And we're going to mix this just until it's combined. Now I've got a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. We're just going to stir these in. Going to pour this into a 9x13 baking dish. I have sprayed this with nonstick spray also. Now I'll bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes. We're going to make some icing, so when this comes out of the oven, it'll be ready. I've got 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. This is ready, so while it's still hot, I'm going to put the icing over the top. Let's give it a taste. So delicious. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check back Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new videos. And especially stick around because the holidays are coming and we've got stuff to cook. I'll see you next time.